हेलो दोस्तों, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री में जैसे कि थियोरेटिकल पार्ट हो गया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 से। अभी कर ले ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट किया हमने न्यूमेरिकल पार्ट, जिसमें कि हमने थर्ड वाला फोर्थ वाला न्यूमेरिकल कंप्लीट कर दिया। अभी सॉल्व करते हैं फिफ्थ वाला न्यूमेरिकल। वो न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड है ईएमएफ सेल रिलेटेड, मतलब नर्स्ट इक्वेशन रिलेटेड। तो वो कैसे सॉल्व करना है वो आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी। मैं हूँ आपके केमिस्ट्री टीचर स्वप्ना मैम। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं, ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते। Calculate EMF of this cell. EMF, what we have to find out? Just we have to find out the E cell. They have given one cell representation, or we can say that formula for the cell. They have given the temperature, that is the 25 degrees Celsius, means standard condition is there. So how to solve that numerical? Firstly, if we consider which part is the anode, which part is the cathode, that is very important, because formula for the E cell calculation, that is the E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0592 divided by N log of oxidized state divided by reduced state. That part we have to take here. So which one is the anode, which one is the cathode? If that part is known to us, then we can find out the E naught cell. So how to find out? Say for that purpose, as we know that left part of the cell representation is always anode and right part it is always the cathode. So what will be the reaction at anode and what will be the reaction at anode? Now see here. At anode, that reaction will be Zn, it is converted into Zn2 plus, and that conversion is possible by the loss of 2 electron, because as we know that anode oxidation, loss of electron. At cathode, what will be the reaction at cathode? Now see here. H plus is there is a gain of 1 electron and formation of H. But here there is a liberation of H2, means we have to take 2 moles of the H plus, and here we are getting the complete one. Now what will be the net reaction? From here we are getting the value of N. Formula we understood. Now N, that 2 electrons are there, and N is nothing but the number of moles of the electron. So N is equal to 2. Here we got one information or one given data. Next one. From that net reaction, we will get the idea about the oxidized state and the reduced state. So net reaction will be both side, means in the both reaction number of electron is same. So simply we have to add them, and that product, that reaction will be Zn plus 2H plus, it gives Zn2 plus H2. Now see here, that Zn is in its solid state, so we can't consider in that Nernst equation, but H2, which is to the product side, that is in the gaseous state, so we can consider here. Now E naught cell we have to find out. If we consider this cell representation, it is of the standard hydrogen electrode, and in that E naught cell, that formula is E naught cathode minus E naught anode. That formula we have to use. E naught cathode means E naught H2 minus E naught anode means E naught Zn, and as we know that E naught H2 is 0. So finally E naught cell, that is nothing but the minus E naught Zn. And what is the value of Zn? That is that minus sign we are keeping as it is, and its value is minus 0.763. So here after calculation we are getting the value of E naught cell, that is the 0.763. Once again we are writing that given data, that is the N is equal to 2 that we got here. E naught cell, just we have calculated. Oxidized state, that is this part, and reduced state, that is only that 2H plus. So simply we are going to put all this data in this formula. Now see here, E cell is equal to, E naught cell value is 0.763 minus 0.0592 divided by 2. After that, log of oxidized state. What is that oxidized state? That is the Zn2 plus. Zn2 plus into H2 that we have written, and reduced state is 2H plus. When we are writing at that time, here that will be the H plus and 2 moles are there that we have to write as a power. So here after calculation we can say that 0.763 minus, just we are dividing this value by 2, and that will be 0.0296 into log of Zn2 plus, its concentration is 0.2 molar, 0.2 molar into H2 is gas, means here we have to consider its pressure, and that is 1.8 divided by H plus. What is the concentration of H plus? That is the 1.6, but here most of the time mistake possibility is there, that is the only 1.6 can be written by you people. Here we have to take the square of this. Now how to simplify this term, that we will discuss now. If you are not written all the numerical given data how to solve, then please complete it, or you can take the screenshot and complete it. So after that, now see here, one by one step we will write here. E cell is equal to 0.763 minus 0.0296 into log of. Here just we are shifting that decimal, and then we will get here 36 divided by 16 into 16. So after dividing we are getting here 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, after that 2 18s are 16. So here after that again we can simplify, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. So 0.763 minus 0.0296 log of 9 divided by 16 4s are 64. After this dividing we are getting the value, that is the 0.763 minus 0.0296 log of. When we are dividing we are getting the finally its calculation, that is 0.14. After that what we are going to do, see, just we are shifting one decimal to the right hand side, and that will be 0.763 minus 0.0296 log of. After shifting it will be 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 1. Now see next step. In that next step what we are going to do, just these two terms are multiplied to each other, and if we are applying log to these two terms, then their addition will be there. After that 0.763 minus 0.0296 log of 1.4 plus log of 10 raised to minus 1. So 0.763 minus 0.0296 into 10 raised to minus 1, that power will remain as it is, means here that will be minus 1, plus if we consider its log value, firstly we are going to discuss its characteristic. Its characteristic will be 0, and if we consider its log is 1461. Now what we have to do, just we have to subtract this value from this one, and we have to give negative sign because 1 is the bigger than this one. So it will, that answer will carry negative sign. After subtraction we are getting 0.763 minus 0.0296. Just we are subtracting it. Now see here, 1.00040 we have taken, 0.1461, 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 1 8, and here 0 point into minus sign will be there, 0.8539, or here we can take that 854. Now what we have to do here, simply we are multiplying these two terms to each other. So finally E cell is equal to, first that same will be here 0.763. After multiplication again that answer will carry negative sign and that answer will be 0.025. So what we have to see, minus into minus, that will be the positive sign. So 0.763 plus 0.025. What will be the addition? See here, 0.763 plus 0.025. 5 3 8, 6 2 8, again 7 and 0. So finally we can say that after that much calculation, after completion of the reaction write-up, we are getting the final answer, and that is the 788 volt, and this is our final answer. Here I have explained simple calculation also. Here you can calculate directly also, but some students will be there, those will not understand direct answer. That's why I have given simplification also. सो ऐसे ही एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करने के लिए, स्टडी करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.